Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 27th, 2025, and we're diving into TKO's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TKO, a major player in sports and entertainment, has just released its latest earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with the recent merger of UFC and WWE under its umbrella.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TKO reported a net revenue of $642.2 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, marking a 5% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a $61.1 million increase at UFC, which offset a $32.9 million decrease at WWE. This growth reflects TKO's strategic focus on expanding UFC's media rights and live events, despite some challenges with WWE's programming transitions.
And what about profitability?
TKO's net income for the quarter was $47.5 million, a significant turnaround from a net loss of $16.1 million in the prior year. This improvement was due to increased revenue and reduced operating expenses, including an $11.5 million decrease in selling, general, and administrative expenses.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 23 for TKO based on a survey of 6 analysts. The actual EPS came in at 28. John, what does this tell us about TKO's performance?
This is a positive surprise for investors. TKO not only met but exceeded expectations, which is a testament to their effective cost management and revenue growth strategies. The EPS beat indicates strong operational execution, particularly in managing expenses and optimizing revenue streams.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking at the full year, TKO reported a revenue of $2.804 billion and a net income of $6.4 million. How does this set the stage for 2025, John?
TKO's full-year performance reflects a 67% increase in revenue, largely due to the inclusion of WWE's full-year results. For 2025, TKO is targeting revenue between $2.93 billion and $3,000 billion, with adjusted EBITDA expected to range from $1.350 billion to $1.390 billion. This guidance suggests continued growth and integration synergies from the UFC-WWE merger.
What are the key strategic initiatives for TKO moving forward?
TKO plans to focus on securing long-term media rights for UFC and WWE, integrating new acquisitions like IMG and Professional Bull Riders, and enhancing their live event offerings. They also have a robust capital return program, including share repurchases and dividends, which should appeal to investors.
Key takeaways. In summary, TKO has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with significant revenue growth and a positive EPS surprise. Their strategic initiatives and guidance for 2025 indicate a promising outlook. John, any final thoughts?
TKO's ability to exceed EPS expectations and their strategic focus on media rights and live events position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of these strategies and the integration of new acquisitions.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TKO's performance in the comments below.